Hello, hi. I'm back with another relaxation technique, TRT, Deep Relaxation Technique. It is a restorative practice which will help you to improve your sleep quality. It combines yogic relaxation and mindful awareness to release physical tension, calm the mind, and prepare the body for the restful, uninterrupted sleep. To practice, lie down in Shavasana on a yoga mat or on the bed, whichever is comfortable. Find a quiet space where you can lie down undisturbed. Make sure the room is dark. Allow yourself to let go of all distractions. This is your time to unwind and restore your inner balance. Now let's begin. Lie down on your back in the supine position. Keep your legs slightly apart. Let your arms rest gently beside your body, palms facing upward. Close your eyes. Breathe as slowly as possible, as deeply as possible. Feel your heels, calves, thighs, back, and head resting on the surface beneath you. Your whole body is supported by the surface beneath you. Now, bring your awareness to the toes. Relax your toes. Relax your heels. Relax your ankle joints. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your knees, knee joints. Relax your thigh muscles. Relax your hip joints. Now, your lower part of the body is relaxed. For further relaxation, we will chant one akara. Inhale. Feel the vibration of akara in the lower part of the body. Feel the lightness in the lower part of the body. Feel the wave of relaxation in the lower part of the body. Now, observe that from your toes till the hip, the body is relaxed. Relax. Now gently shift your awareness to the stomach region. Relax your abdomen. Relax your chest region. Relax your neck region and neck muscles. Relax your shoulder muscles, shoulder joints. Relax your upper arms. Relax your elbows, elbow joints. Relax your forearms, Relax your wrists, wrist joints. Relax your fingers, finger joints. Now, gently shift your awareness to the lower back. Relax your lower back. Relax your middle back. Relax your upper back. Now, your middle part of the body is relaxed. For further relaxation, we'll chant one Ukara. Inhale. Feel the vibration of Ukara in the chest region. Feel the lightness in the middle part of the body. Feel the wave of relaxation in the middle part of the body. Now, observe that from your toes till the neck, the body is relaxed. Relax. Now, bring your awareness to the chin. Relax your chin. Unclench your lower jaw. Relax your lower jaw. Relax your tongue. Relax your upper jaw. Relax your facial muscles. Bring a soft smile. Relax your eyes and eyebrows. Relax your forehead region. Relax your crown of the head. Relax your back of the head. Now your head region is relaxed. For further relaxation, we'll chant one Makara. Inhale. Feel the vibration of the chanting in the head region. Feel the lightness in the head region. Feel the wave of relaxation in the head region. Now, your head region is relaxed. Observe that from your toes till the head, the body is relaxed. Now, for complete relaxation of the whole body, We'll chant one Akara, Ukara, Makara in a single continuous breath. Inhale. Feel the vibration of the chanting in the whole body. Feel the lightness in the whole body. Feel the wave of relaxation in the whole body. Now observe that your whole body is completely relaxed. Just be there in this relaxed state. Enjoy the relaxation. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you. Gently move your toes, move your fingers. Slowly raise your right hand above your head. Bend your left leg. Place your left palm on your stomach. Gently roll towards your right. Be there. Observe the blood circulation. Now slowly, with support of both hands, you can come to the sitting position. Sit in any comfortable posture. Feel that lightness and the relaxation throughout the body. Carry this sense of ease as you move towards restful and rejuvenating sleep. Thank you for practicing deep yogic relaxation for better sleep. Namaste.